Okay. As we have already seen some drawbacks of civil disobedience movement, like poor peasants, industrial workers, neglected women, okay, and Dalits. Same way, Muslims they also started feeling insecure, or they felt alienated from Congress after the fall of non-cooperation movement, as Congress started moving towards religious organizations such as religious nationalist groups. Means this group belonged to Hindu Mahabhasha Sabha. As Muslim League, they saw Congress moving towards Hinduism, they started feeling separated. Okay, so this feeling of separation started dwelling in the minds of the Muslims. So Indian National Congress and Muslim League, both of them started thinking that something should be done to secure future assemblies. Both of them should get equal participation in the future assemblies, or equal electorates or reserved seats. So Jinnah, he was the head of Muslim League at that time. He said, or he assured to INC, that they would not demand for separate electorate if Indian National Congress assured the reservation of Muslim seats according to their population in future assemblies. He assured that they would not demand for separate electorate if they would get reserved seats in future assembly according to their population. But their demands were not fulfilled by Mr. M.R. Jaikar. Who is he? Who was he? He was a member of Hindu Mahabhasha Sabha. So this demand was not fulfilled by a Hindu person, Mr. M.R. Jaikar. Okay. So because of this refusal, a gap between Hindu and Muslim, it widened. Okay, it widened the gap between Hindus and Muslims, and we faced partition. We know the partition of 1947. India and Pakistan, they got separated. So Muslims, they formed their separate state named Pakistan after the refusal of their demand by Hindus. Okay, so India and Pakistan, they got separated. Now, after this separation in 1947, finally Indians, they got freedom, independence from British rule or the colonial government. In the next video, we'll deal with the sense of collective belonging. Thank you.